Today, I'll be sharing with you some strategies that you can use to beat inflation through real estate investment. I'm sure it's no news that inflation has risen between 2021 and 2023 to over 25%. Now you're wondering, how do you continue to beat inflation? Well, I'll be sharing with you some strategies. Just stay with me. First, consider investing in rental properties because rental income increases over time. It either increases to keep pace with inflation or even outpaces inflation. 2, leverage your finance wisely. Take advantage of pre-launch offers or any kind of offers that helps you to even save well. The third thing to do, diversify your real estate portfolio. Invest in different properties at different locations, because this helps to even minimize your risks and also helps you to keep your investment resilient. The fourth thing to do is to take note of market trends. Look at where you need to make necessary renovations in your properties or where you need to make certain changes in your properties as well. This way, you're able to even beat the inflation. Lastly, don't forget that real estate is a long-term game. You have to be patient when it comes to this. Over time, it promises you cash flow, appreciation, and it outpaces inflation. So don't forget to reach out to us at iStone, where we provide for you investment opportunities that beat inflation in years to come.